Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a WordPress website for a restaurant. Start by securing a great web host and a unique domain name for your restaurant. Many hosts offer one-click WordPress installation, making setup incredibly simple. Next, choose a theme specifically designed for restaurants. Look for features like menu displays, reservation forms, and appealing galleries to showcase your delicious offerings. This foundational step ensures your website is ready for customization and content. Your restaurant website needs core functionalities to serve your customers effectively. First, build an enticing online menu featuring professional photos and detailed descriptions of every dish. Integrate a seamless reservation system, allowing guests to book tables effortlessly. Don't forget a comprehensive contact page, including your location, phone number, and precise business hours for easy access. Now, let's focus on making your website visually appealing and informative. Customize your theme to perfectly reflect your restaurant's unique brand identity and atmosphere. Craft an engaging About Us section that tells your story and connects with visitors. Remember to optimize all images for quick loading, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable browsing experience for every potential diner. Finally, let's ensure your website reaches your audience and stays secure. Link your social media profiles directly to your site, fostering community engagement. Apply fundamental search engine optimization techniques to help new customers discover you online. Crucially, commit to regular updates for your menu, special offers, and all WordPress software to maintain security and optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.